Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Balance Group Modern Manufacturer. I'm Jacqueline from Balance Group. The top-line well balancer U-579 is a popular member of this series. Many customers are interested in it. We would like to introduce it to you in details. Next to me is the star model U-579. It's a fast and accurate model with 2 years warranty. It supports 20 display languages and provides prompts for action at each step. We can also add other languages customized for your market. This will be helpful for the local user's operation. If you are looking for a no training required machine, this model will be the best choice for you. We suggest you put this U-579 on your shopping list. It's very simple to use. Now let's invite our friend Klaus. Hi Klaus, let's provide its function to you together. Follow the guidance. Just simply move the multi-function scale once to finish tire measurement, data input, tire rims recognition, and ALU mode selection. This whole process is simple and efficient. Now we got data input, and the machine automatically selected an ALU mode. And we just need to wait and see how it works. U-579 has an automatic disc brake function, so the wheel is able to return in the correct position. Here, you can see the laser point is targeting the unbalanced place. Follow the laser point, we can easily find the exact place to stick the weight. Now we got the result. It's perfect. Do you want to double check? Let's change to a different angle of the car tire to double check the accuracy. Now the balance weight is 0 gram and 0 gram. It's the same as the last balancing mode. The perfection in accuracy guarantees your best experience. Approving multifunction transfer max 9 balancing mode to suitable for all kinds of wheel. For example, adapt to the two-sided suspension mode of iron tires and multiple sticking modes of aluminum tires, especially after the optimization of the segmentation hidden mode. You can make the dynamic balance not only accurate but also neat and tidy, making your car safe and reliable with the same style. In addition, we invite Klaus to show you the maintenance interface for calibrating this U-579. This is the calibration interface. In daily work, the user can ensure that the machine has complete functions and reliable accuracy through simple calibration. At the same time, the U-579 also supports self-diagnosis. The function provides convenience for the user's follow-up self-maintenance. Thank you, Klaus. U-2560 and U-579 are a pair of combinations from the initial design inspiration. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you use them together. They can perfectly help your workshop to quickly solve users' wheel problems. All kinds of flat tires of sports cars and racing cars can be perfectly solved. With a trump card combination, you can avoid your worries about alternative repairment issues. What are you waiting for? Let's do something now. Our online customer service is waiting for you. If you place an order now, the discount will be more favorable. Now we come to the end of the introduction of U-579. I'm Jacqueline from Balance. Thanks for your special visit. Please keep following our live studio. More wonderful products are waiting for you.